Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're beginning the connection. Act now. Plug the car, link it into the car's USB port, and wait for its LED to show ready. On your iPhone, open Settings and turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Do not enable personal hotspot or a VPN because they interfere. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and on the home screen. This speeds pairing. If the Carlinkit has a pairing mode button, press it once to enter Bluetooth discoverable state before moving to the next step. Once done with basics, go to Settings Bluetooth and find the Carlinkit name. Tap to pair. After Bluetooth connects, switch to Wi-Fi and join the Carlinkit SSID. This routes screen mirroring traffic. If asked, enter the default password printed on the dongle or manual. This secures the link. On the car display, accept any pairing or screen mirroring prompts. Allow location, microphone, or Bluetooth permissions when iOS asks. These let CarPlay or mirroring function correctly and keep audio and touch responsive. Finish by launching CarPlay or the Mirror app. Verify touch controls, audio, and navigation respond. If it fails, reboot the Carlinkit and your iPhone, then reconnect. This clears temporary Bluetooth or Wi-Fi conflicts. Make sure the Carlinkit firmware and iPhone iOS are up to date. Updates fix stability and protocol mismatches. One key troubleshooting tip: if pairing repeatedly fails, perform a factory reset on the dongle, then reinitiate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.